going, hey, well, this should go in pretty easy, but where, how? And that would be a great question, a super great question. So this looks like it will definitely go into the wing bit that you see here. So that looks like it would definitely just go in there like that. Look, it slides in perfectly. Same thing over here. We're going to try not to pinch the wires when we assemble this eventually. And the rear probably has a similar thing going. You see how this can be stuck through there and then stuck through there. And this will sort of sandwich the rear wing area. So that'll be easy to do.
Likey